Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss which topic is that is AC generator. In the AC generator we use the magnetic field of the two magnets and the rotating coil. Here's the we use rotating coil or magnet to produce the electrical energy or electric current in the circuit. In the AC generator we convert the rotating mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is used with turbine that rotate and convert the rotational mechanical energy into electrical energy. So we write here it is used to convert the rotational mechanical energy into electrical energy. We also write here it is used with turbines that rotate and convert the rotational mechanical energy into electrical energy. If we discuss the working principle, the working principle is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. If we discuss the component of the AC generator, it consists of two slip rings and two carbon brushes. These are carbon brushes. If we discuss the component of the AC generator, it consists of the two permanent magnet and two slip rings and two carbon brushes. And here we use the rotating coil that either it move clockwise or either it move it anti-clockwise direction. Now we discuss the components of AC generator. First we use permanent magnet. What is the permanent magnet? What is work? Permanent magnet, it provide a strong magnetic field with which a coil interact to produce induce EMF. Second component that we use that are slip rings. Slip rings, they flip or reverse the direction of current in the external circuit when coil crosses the vertical position. Third component which I use that are carbon brushes. Working of carbon brushes is it reduce the friction and produce contact between rings and external circuit. Now we discuss the working mechanism. In working mechanism we use an external source like water, hydro, electric turbines, wind turbines. Third is steam or steam turbines are used are used to apply a force on the coil of wire and rotated it about the axis of magnet. When the coil winding is rotated about fixed axis, the coil cuts the field lines of the permanent magnets. The cutting of the field lines by coil causes a rate of change of magnetic flux linkage. Hence, EMF is generated in the coil wire according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Now we discuss how the coil in the AC generator is work. Here we take the two magnets and direction of the magnetic field lines from north to south. So here we take the coil, we give the name of the coil. This is the direction of coil is A, B side. This is BC, this is CD side. Here we discuss the coil is rotated in clockwise direction. So here the force is upward and here the force is downward. We know that here the direction of force that is upward, here direction of force that is downward. When we know the direction of force and direction of magnetic field lines by using Fleming right hand rule, we can find the direction of the induced current. By Fleming right hand rule, we use the thumb to represent the force, forefinger that represent the magnetic field, and middle finger that represent the direction of induced current. Here I use the thumb for direction of force and forefinger use the direction of magnetic field and middle finger use the direction of the induced current. This is the direction of current. This is the thumb. If we apply the Fleming right hand rule in this side of the coil, we see that the force is upward, so thumb is upward. When thumb is upward, direction of the forefinger, direction of magnetic field line. So this finger shows the direction of the current. So here we shows the direction of current is upward. If we use the right thumb hand rule in this side, so here the use the direction of the magnetic field line, use the forefinger, and thumb is used for the direction of the force. So here the direction of the current. So direction of in this side is downward. So in this side, direction is moved in the clockwise direction. Current goes from this side to the slip ring and then contact to the carbon brushes to the external circuit. This is the external circuit and move through like this in the clockwise direction. Now we see the direction of the current after 180-degree rotation of the coil. Coil is rotated in clockwise direction after 180-degree rotation. Now AB side become CD and CD side become AB. Now we know that the direction of force in the CD side is upward and direction of force in the AB side is downward because coil is rotated in clockwise direction. Here the force is downward and here the force is upward. So by Fleming right hand rule, by Fleming right hand rule, direction of current in CD side is that is upward. So here is it upward direction. and the direction of the current in the AB side by flaming right hand rule, that is the downward. So direction of current in AB side, that is downward direction. So here we see that the current is flowing from CD side to BA side, come to this carbon brush and connect to this carbon brushes, flow through the external circuit. This is the external circuit and come back to the other brush, and that it is flowing through the whole circuit. So we learned that every time the current that is flip in the direction. One time it is move in the clockwise direction, other side is move in the anti-clockwise direction. So we write here, after 180-degree rotation, direction of current is reverse. Now we discuss in AC generators factors that increase the induced EMF in AC generator. First factor, we use the increasing the number of turns and if number of turns double, then EMF induced also double. Increasing number of turns of coil, increasing the change of magnetic flux linkage, which increase the induced EMF. Second factor that we can increase the induced EMF in AC generator if we increase the strength of magnetic field. Increasing if strength of magnetic field is double, then EMF induced also double. If strength of magnetic field is increased, then rate of change of magnetic flux linkage increase, so that we can increase the induced EMF. By third factor that we can increase the induced EMF in AC generator by using, if we increasing the frequency of rotation, the induced EMF in AC generator can be increased by increasing the number of rotation or frequency of the coil. If we show it graphically, in time t, the induced EMF, here we let it the 0 second, here is 1 second. If we draw it another graph where we increase the frequency, then we see that this is time, this is induced EMF. So here is the 1 second, 2 second, and up to so on. So we learned that in 1 second they complete the 1 cycle, and here the 2 second they complete the 3 cycle. So here we can increase the EMF by increasing the frequency.